Do you know that song by Farhan Akhtar from movie Rock On? आसमां है नीला क्यों पानी गीला गीला क्यों गोल क्यों है जमीन सिल्क में है नरमी क्यों आग में है गर्मी क्यों दो और दो पांच क्यों नहीं सोचा है ये तूने क्या कभी सोचा है कि है ये क्या सभी सोचा है सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी I can relate myself the most with this song. Good morning, all. Myself, Pooja Shah, and here I am to give my introduction. Let's start with why I found similarities between this song and myself. I'm a good observer, and I have a habit to ask questions to anything and almost everything. Yes, I do talk with non-living things like my laptop, and even it has a name, like an introvert. Also, I couldn't hold all those thoughts and questions in my mind and sing it loud like an extrovert. So, as an ambivert, I can relate myself the most with this song. Observing the changes of colors in the sky and still thinking why the normal color of sky is blue. Why we call it sky blue, not sky pink or sky orange. And what to say about pani? I can even sense the change of taste in water. It may be because of higher TDS or minerals or anything like that, but I almost avoid drinking outside water because I don't feel that water gila enough. Do you know about uh, गोल है क्यों जमी कुछ भी कर लो सब घूम के वापस आ ही जाता है एवरीथिंग आई वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ डूइंग आई एम डूइंग इट राइट नाउ I was afraid of staying far from my parents. After marriage, I have been shifted to my husband's home. I was afraid of speaking, interacting with new people, and soon we will be shifted to new city. I was afraid of leaving job and I left it to work on my own. So कुछ भी कर लो सब घूम के वापस आ ही जाता है आई विश ये जमी गोल की जगह स्क्वायर होती एटलीस्ट सब घूम के वापस तो नहीं आता and silk mein hai kyun narmi I really don't know about it but due to that softness I love the silk most I'm sure you all were thinking about this silk but I'm talking about this so the next is garmi of aag right I am a really passionate food lover and I love to explore various dishes I love to cook and make mouth tempting and delicious dishes and on the journey to find answer of दो और दो पांच क्यों नहीं I reached to engineering college even pursued masters but couldn't find the answer that's when I know that every statement is not a theorem to prove some statements might be a hypothesis to accept when the song says सन्नाटा कभी सुनाई नहीं देता and हवाएं कभी दिखाई नहीं देती I felt that I should be heard and I should be seen पहले सोचा नहीं था पर अब सोचा है so here I am to face my fear of speaking publicly and being visible maybe someday in my some speech I can start my speech with I was afraid of speaking publicly I really don't know how to deal with imperfections dealing with imperfections can make us perfect right till then signing off the perfectly imperfect Pooja Shah. Thank you.